What I'm going to show you is the moment a market wakes up, what suddenly happens and what you can see on a price ladder that tells you, one, it's now starting to move, but two, the big clue of whether this is going to keep on going. That's the thing that we want to go and have a little look at. So what I want to start with is just a little contrast of looking at a market that is moving quite slowly. This is a market that says to you, nothing's going on here. If you watch the orders, the bids and offers there, they're not moving particularly quickly. The blues on the right, the reds on the left, nothing's really moving that quick. So this is a market that's pretty stable. Nothing's going on here. But what you'll see in a moment is a pickup in pace. And this is what tells you that something is now happening. And that's what you're always waiting for, whatever you're planning. So we're trading around about 88. What you're looking for now, really, really quick move down, is a bit of a clue to get yourself in. And what you're looking for here then is this little rotation. You see there, we get that little rotation where we move from sort of 78 to 74, 78 to 74. What you're getting as that happens is this build up of volume. If you look on the right hand side of the ladder, you've got this build of volume. This shows you that the market is now comfortable here. It's a very quick shift, but it says to you the market's happy here. And so with that in mind, you can now plan. If we move away from this zone to the upside, this is going to go wrong, but you can protect yourself. If you move through 81, and I'll explain why 81 when we get to the 26th November, so link below, remember. Why you would be protected if we move through 81, this is not going to work. But also, as long as the pace of the market stays, the break through 74 then opens up a next leg towards the downside. So this is the little clue that says to you, yes, now's the time to get in. You can protect your risk. We can now look for a new leg down. We see this first leg down very, very quick, down towards 55 there. I'll also be explaining why this is a perfect time to exit as well. So we'll cover all of that on 26th November. I'll also be talking through profile concepts, how we use footprint to help in deciding where and when to get in and out of trades, and also covering news. I'll see you all there, link below. See you soon.